संजय दिना पाटील दिल्लीत नाहीत तर मुंबईमध्ये आहेत असा दावा त्यांनी स्वतः केलेला आहे। मी इतर कोणत्याही खासदारांच्या संपर्कात नाही अशी माहिती पाटलांनी एनडीटीव्हीच्या प्रतिनिधीशी बोलताना दिली आहे।
Sir, currently in Delhi?
No, I'm in Mumbai.
Okay. And sir, what will you say about the speculations that everyone is in touch with?
Tired of the press and tired of all the speculations.
Okay.
What is going to? What if something is to happen? It will happen. You and me?
Right.
Just wasting our time is no point.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Clearly you have a
Yeah.
point. Just
Yeah.
that Eknath Shinde is in Delhi, and there are sources say that they are going to meet all the rebel MPs from Shiv Sena UBT.
I don't know. I've got no news about it. I'm tired of all the. I'm just
Okay.
tired of all the media calls only.
So, sir,
About the media.
can we say that that not all MPs are in touch with Shiv Sena and yes.
Yeah.
As a MP, it's being told that you guys are unhappy with Uddhav Thackeray and his functioning. What will you comment on that?
Yeah. Is any human happy with anything?
Right.
It is general human tendency to be not happy.
So one last thing,
Yeah.
chopping off the last talk, the ones before that, can we use that for NDTV 24/7?
What?
Like this, that where you said that you are not into the list of the rebel MPs. Can we play this up on TV if you permit?
As of now,
Yes.
who knows what is going to happen? Invitation as of now. If I get an invitation, I'll think over it.
If you get the invitation to what, join Shiv Sena?
No, I'm not going to invitation. They should at least invite na. Begani Shadi mein Abdullah Diwana. Why should I dance in another's wedding?
Okay.
Let me be invited na. Why should I go and dance without getting invited?
Sir, can we say that the rest of them have been invited?
I don't know. I'm not in touch with anyone.
Okay.
Everybody's busy. Everybody's phone is busy with press people only, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
But is it true that there's unhappiness in the MPs?
And how would I know? I told you what हमारे घर पे क्या चालू है उसमें
नहीं सर, आप
my granddaughter's birthday is there. We are in that.
Right.
And I'm busy answering calls from the media. If I'm not available, if I don't pick up the call, then also everybody will say, unavailable. I'm speaking to you.
मतलब out of
Another call
संपर्क
will
है.
yeah, they will say unavailable.
Sir, if you are in Mumbai, can we meet tomorrow for an interview?
अरे Sanjay Raut ji is in charge and Arvind Sawant ji is in charge of our parliamentary affairs. He is our leader. They are. I'm not entitled. I'm not authorized to speak on it. They are our party leaders. They will speak what is to be done. You can contact them.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay,
so
ma'am.
much.
Yeah. If anything is there, they ask me to talk to you. I'll surely talk to you. Permission.
Sure, sir.
तर ठाकरेंचे खासदार नेमके कुठे आहेत, कोणते खासदार दिल्लीत आहेत याची माहिती जाणून घेऊयात। संजय देशमुख दिल्लीत आहेत, नागेश पाटील आष्टीकर दिल्लीत, ओमराजे निंबाळकर दिल्लीत, भाऊसाहेब वागचोरे सुद्धा दिल्लीत आहेत। त्या व्यतिरिक्त संजय जाधव दिल्लीत आहेत, राजाभाऊ वाजे हे दिल्लीत आहेत, संजय दिना पाटील मुंबईमध्ये आहेत।